Hi, I'm Sunday from Brondes Ford, and I want to show you an Escape today. I'm going to show you the Escape Titanium. This is the ruby red. It's a beautiful color. I'm going to come over here. The titanium is the highest level that we have for an Escape. There's a few things that Ford offers, like the keyless entry. So you can just come up here and put your 5-digit code in, and you can get into the vehicle anytime you want. I love this feature. It's one of my favorites. You go to the park and go for a walk, and you're able to get into your car without worrying about taking your keys with you. We do have the blind spot monitoring system on the titanium level and intelligent access. So I don't have to take this key out of my purse in order to get into my vehicle. It'll just unlock right when I come up here to open it. Leather seating in here. This one has a safe and smart package, so you're going to have your adaptive cruise control, your lane keeping system, your high beam headlights. Those are some really nice features. If you come back here to the trunk, I absolutely love this. This is called the hands-free lift gate. So I can have this key in my pocket, in my purse, just on my body, and I can just swipe right here and open up my trunk. I love this feature, use it all the time. So you can see that it lifts up right about here. So it's really good and a nice, nice level for me. But I can also adjust it so it can go to somebody else's level. If you're a little taller, you can go up a little bit higher, and you can set that. You just hold it down and set it so that somebody that's a little bit taller can do that. Or if you're a little shorter, you can bring it down a little bit. I love that feature also. Like I said, you can. This is really nice. Also with the Ford, you're going to get the spare tire in here. I know a lot of brands don't give you tires any longer, so this is a nice feature to have. So if I walk over here, I just want to show you how the seats fold down flat in the Escape. I love this also. So I put the headrest down and I pull this, and usually the seat belt's not connecting it. So if I undo the seatbelt, then I can pull this forward and it goes completely flat. So this is nice. I'm going to show you the other side and how flat that goes too. Okay, undo the seatbelt. Actually, we have 2 seatbelts down here. Somebody was keeping something safe. All right, and then go down like this. Okay, so really nice flat surface if you have things that you want to carry in this vehicle. This is perfect. Not all of them will go completely flat, but the Escape does, and I love that. So if you come over here, I'm going to put this back down. You have your reverse sensors. You've got your bigger camera. So with the reverse camera, you're going to have sensors, and you're going to have the camera that shows you the green, yellow, and red, exactly where you're parking. You can see your bumper in the camera. I just want to show you that really quick if you want to get in. A lot of nice storage space also in this car. So I can put my phone right here. There's a lot of cup holders, some space right here. But if I take this and I put this in reverse, and you look at this camera, you can see your green, your yellow, and your red, and your bumper right here. When I turn my wheel, you can see the white lines show you exactly where you're pointed, the direction that you're going. So it's great for parking and backing into places. And then this is our big touch screen right here. You've got navigation on there. You've got your phone, your audio. This you can get Apple CarPlay or Android Auto on this one. And the other thing that it comes with is Ford Pass. Ford Pass is an app that you can put on your phone, start your vehicle, unlock it, lock it. It's a 2-year program that you get that for free. And it is an awesome program. I have it on mine, and that is my other favorite feature. So come on in, come see me, come see the Escapes, come see any other vehicle. I can help you with anything.